BMW back into fourth position. So Haslam, Mossy, Hickman with Haslam and Mossy, well and truly onto their penultimate lap. He didn't have to roll the throttle back, but he did some gas. Looking forward to number 12 of Mossy. Outside 1 second Mossy, and he is starting off the first race of 2017 in just about the perfect style as far as he is concerned. 20 points if he sees it to take a checkered flag, and 3 podium credits for this Haslam that really has been the master of this one. Once Haslam had got his nose in front, it really was a question. Right on the back of James Ellison, named Fred, and Josh Brooks, to be fair. And if he takes one, he'll take the 2. Well, he's got to run out of time because this is the final lap. And there is Ellison. Ellison goes through to then the place where Brooksy, Ellison is responding. But has he got the tyre? He gifted it to Brooksy. Brooksy is now going to lose that pace surely to Glenn Irwin. It's still being battled there, but this is the final lap. Checkered flag time, and we're looking for Leon Haslam now to get to pick up win number 2.